Have you ever seen a river carve a perfect spinning circle of ice? It sounds impossible, but ice circles are a real phenomenon that baffle even seasoned scientists. Forming in slow-moving cold rivers, these massive icy disks rotate slowly, sometimes measuring over 15 meters wide. The secret is in the water's gentle current, which chips away at the ice's edges, sculpting it into an eerily perfect circle. Caught between science and magic, these rare wonders remind us how nature can surprise us with patterns that seem almost too precise to be real.